Make sure that you already purchased the base plan of YouTube TV at the very least, and ensure the subscription is still active because you cannot watch Nick at Night without having YouTube TV base plan first. And to buy the YouTube TV base plan, from the home page of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the store icon. And then on the networks and add-ons on the YouTube TV, you want to click on it. And then you want to pay for $68 per month to get the YouTube TV base plan. And to do it, you want to click on next button right here and then complete your purchase with debit card, credit card, or even your PayPal. And after you bought the YouTube TV base plan to watch the Nick at Night, on the homepage of YouTube TV, click on the search icon at the top right of the screen. Then on the search bar, you want to type in for Nick and choose the Nick at Night network. So just click on it. And right now, there is only the Friends series right here that's available currently. And you can click on it to start watching Friends. You can select which season that you want to watch, either the 10th season, 2nd, 3rd, and so on. And specifically, right now, most of the episodes on Friends actually require you to buy the HBO Max plan too. It's kind of unfortunate. And it's actually not all of them, just some episode. You can still watch it with only the YouTube TV base plan. And to check it, you can click on the down arrow right here, besides every episode on every season, and then see which network will air that specific episode. So except the HBO Max, right here, you can watch the Friends without buying the HBO Max subscription. But if you want to buy the HBO Max subscription though, you can just click on it right here and then proceed to complete the purchase by clicking on the next button. And that's it. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.